Level 3, number 1. Okay, we'll draw the picture. There's basically this roller coaster that goes down like this, and then it goes up, and then it comes back down. And there's two spots, so there's two positions, right? So that should make you think position 1 and position 2. At the start, position 1, there's a speed of 10 meters per second as it comes over this bump. But there's also a height of 60 meters. And then right about here in the second spot, maybe I'll choose a different color for the second spot, we have a height of 25 meters, and we want to know, calculate the speed of the roller coaster at position B. So what's the speed right here? Okay, conservation of energy. The total energy in any one position is equal to the total energy at any other position. And you can choose any two positions you want. So we're going to choose A and B. So the total kinetic energy at A plus the total gravitational energy at A equals the total kinetic energy at B plus the total gravitational energy at B. Or you can use 1 and 2. It doesn't matter. A, B, 1 and 2. Okay? Now, in the previous questions that we were talking about, sometimes we cross some of these out because something was a 0. But you can't always do that. You'll notice here at position A, or position 1, we have two things. We have a speed and a height. So when we put those in here, 1/2 m v1 squared plus mg h, I guess I'm using va squared and ha, right? And then over here at position B, we also have a height, and we're going to obviously have some speed. So we can't cancel anything out in this case. There. But we can, of course, divide out all the m's. So we can do that right off the bat. The mass doesn't matter. Okay, so what do you have? You have 1/2 of VA, but you have a number for VA. You know that VA is 10. So you can put your 10 in there. And you know the height, 9.8 for G, and the height is 60, right? You also, well, you don't have the speed at VB, so you have to leave that there, but you have 9.8, you have the height, 25. And now you just crunch all this out until VB pops out, and you get the speed. So when you do the conservation of energy, you're always talking about heights and speeds. And if you have a question where you have changing heights and speeds, this is how you're going to do it. They're always going to be worked out this way, right? Especially if you have two different positions to deal with.